Basanti Entertainment was just a very small idea in my head, and I felt कि मुझे मैं ये करना चाहती हूँ. I wanted to open my own production house, but I didn't know मेरे पास कोई film नहीं थी. I didn't have a staff. Normally अगर आप Eros में जाओगे तो they have about some 200 and something people working for them. So I had nobody except for this little thought in my head. और उसके बाद शशांत गायब हो गए. उन्होंने एक बहुत ही अच्छी स्टोरी सुनाई और फिर स्क्रिप्ट लेकर गायब हो गए. तो नॉर्मली वी एक्टर्स हैव कि हमारी एक ईगो होती है कि डायरेक्टर हमारे पास आएंगे, हम उनके पास क्यों जाएं. लेकिन फाइनली आफ्टर अबाउट अ मंथ और सो आई वाज लिटरली कॉलिंग अप एवरीबडी आई न्यू टू फाइंड आउट हु हैड शशांक शाह's नंबर, वेयर डिड ही गो विद द स्क्रिप्ट.
क्योंकि वो दूसरी दुकान में बेचने की कोशिश कर रहा है.
बिल्कुल. तो मैंने कहा कि वेयर इज ही गॉन, ये स्क्रिप्ट लेकर गए कहां. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कि आई हैड माय असिस्टेंट कॉल हिम मल्टीपल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम्स एंड ही केप्ट सेइंग कि नहीं अभी मैं कोई एड में बिजी हूं. तो शी इज लाइक, एड में बिजी हो, आप आए थे फिल्म लेकर, आपको फिल्म बनानी है या नहीं.
ये एड दी किसने?
एंड it just so happened कि वो Eros के पास भी गए थे at the same time. Eros really liked the film and मैंने महेश से कहा था at that point of time कि just read the script. I think it's a nice film. I want to be part of it. What do you feel? तो he read the script और उनको ये script बहुत अच्छी लगी. And still at that point of time, both of us didn't know that we would end up co-producing this film. And things just fell into place. And I think Mahesh was a huge reason for this film being made between Eros, myself, and him. And we're really happy. I think it's a really special script. It's a really simple story, but it's got a lot of heart and a lot of humor. And of course, we all knew that Vinay was the package deal. He was coming with the script, come what may. And he's been an incredible co-star to work with.
Actually, मैं script लेके गया था कृषिका जी.
How many drinks down were you at that point?
No, I don't drink while writing the script. After that,
okay.
मैं script लेके गया था कृषिका जी के पास और लारा के पास and महेश के पास. Simultaneously, they were also talking with each other. They all saw the script. Lara threw the script away.
No, it's lies.
No, okay.
No. Okay, I'll take my turn when it comes.
She threw the script away. Krishika slapped, and Mahesh just threw me out of the office and said, "Kaun si badi baat hogi?"
It's all because of I was in the script.
So that's how it got made, So they all completely abused and said, "Kaun si badi baat hogi?" I said, "That's right." So that's how the film got made. So you see, I was like 89 kgs, and now I am just 47.
But Shashank, what made you spend 35 crores on this film, yaar?
It's not 35, 38.5 crores.
That's very huge, yaar. I mean, what?
जिसका 3% भी मुझे ना मिला है, मैं बता दूं पहले. गलत खबरें ना छापिएगा आप. फिर पता लगा इनकम टैक्स वाले आ जाएंगे हमारे घर पे. और मेरा तो कोई बॉयफ्रेंड भी नहीं है. Okay, that was a bad joke. We'll ignore this on this platform.
Just before that, 15 crores on Vinay's food, and 20 crores on Lara's makeup.
Makeup? Yeah. Okay. Costume and makeup or only makeup?
Just makeup.